Victor Alpha 3 Juliet Tango.
Victor Alpha 3 Juliet Tango. Roger, sir. Well, you might be pushing your ALC just a little bit. Let's deal with that first if you would like. Can you bring your ALC meter up?
I'm not sure, Jim. I'm actually partially vision impaired, but I did do some work on it from the last time you told me.
Yes, the frequency is in use. The frequency is in use.
But I can go back in. I need to take the top off of the old Echo 101 Echo, Jim, and get in there with the tool. So I need you. So you're saying increase the ALC?
No, I'll tell you what. Pull back off mic. About how far are you off mic now?
Oh, I'm just about swallowing it.
Yes, sir. Pull back about 3 inches and let me hear you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello there.
Okay, pull back 4 inches.
There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Excellent. I think, and all without having to take the top off the radio.
Oh, amen. Thank you. By the way, since I did the adjustment from your last instructions, I'm working pile-ups with 100 watts. I'm working and inverted V. I'm working South Africa and all through Europe and right into Argentina, Jim. Over.
Oh, excellent! That's excellent. That's what we want, and that's as after you pulled off mic, your dynamic range is right where it should be, about 3 dB. Roger.
Oh, Roger.
So we couldn't ask for more. EQ is great too, Roger.
Roger.
So I wouldn't change a thing, sir. I would press on and go conquer the world and come back here and tell me how it went.
For your good advice.
Roger. Now, what is the name there, please, sir?
Same as yourself, Juliet India Mike.
How could I forget that? Roger, Jim. 3's that way, sir. Have a great weekend. Happy hunting. This is the KC9VKV Qso-Vlog network. If you've got a transmitter you want to check out, we are here and recording from now till 5. And this is, well, gosh, a really nice day for, it seems like the ability to get down the road. When I was talking to Charlie K1GZR earlier this morning, or this afternoon actually, first thing, and as we brought up the net, I was giving him a 30 over down there. So it looks like propagation is doing great today. This is KC9VKV.